Hey guys, it's me, Paulie C. Today we're going to be doing a little different video. We had a ice storm last weekend and it was pretty devastating. Anyways, this video is a cleanup video. We picked up a Greenworks chainsaw. It's brand new out of the package. When you buy this, you're going to have to purchase some oil. Alright, we're going to tackle some of these smaller ones just to start off with. So far so good. Alright, we got all the bigger stuff chopped up here.